from Passion Kids. Today I am going to explain you how to teach lines and curves to your little ones. Dear parents, teaching lines and curves are the basic things of learning to be taught in the early years to build a strong roots of writing. Here I have a suggestion for you. Set a comfortable time to teach your child. Even if it is a short time, it doesn't matter. But make sure the child stays active during the time you spend. So children, shall we learn lines and curves today? Yes. Look at here. What is this? Yes, this is a scale. Let's take this an example. The standing line is like this. This is a standing line. Sleeping line is like this. This is a sleeping line. And this is slanting line. The slanting line is like this. And this is another slanting line. We have 4 types of curves. Look at here. This is right hand curve. And this is left hand curve. And this is up curve. This is down curve. So these are the lines and curves.
This is a standing line. Standing line starts from up and goes down. Practice the standing line. Yes, starts from up and goes down. Very good. Now let's learn a sleeping line. I'm drawing this line. Look carefully. I'm drawing again. Yes, very good. Practice this sleeping line. Now let's draw a slanting line. Yes, this is known as a slanting line. This is another slanting line. Practice these slanting lines. Yes. This is a curve. This is right hand curve. Practice this. This is left hand curve. Yes. This is a up curve. Do practice. This is a down curve. Do practice all these lines and curves. Here we have few worksheets which you can make your own. I placed these worksheets in plastic folder leaf. You can make practice with your child with the help of marker or sketch. You can easily erase and reuse after practice. You can give like this to practice. Give 3 dots as I have shown. Later, you can give 2 dots. Standing line. Do practice it. Sleeping line. Planting line. Right curve. Left curve. Up curve and down curve.